England is a country that's rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a popular tourist destination. From bustling cities to the idyllic countryside, there's something for everyone in England. London. London is England's largest city and is a popular tourist destination. It is a vibrant metropolis that boasts a rich history and diverse culture. There are many things to do and see. The Tower of London is home to the Crown Jewels, a historic castle, Buckingham Palace, the official residence of Queen Elizabeth II, and the British Museum with its extensive collection of art and artifacts. Big Ben, a famous clock tower, is another must-see landmark. You can also stroll through Hyde Park, one of London's most popular parks, or visit Camden Market and Oxford Street, two of London's most famous shopping areas. Brighton. Brighton is a lively seaside resort in South England. It is known for its vibrant atmosphere, rich culture, and stunning beaches. The Royal Pavilion was built by King George IV and offered breathtaking views of the beach and town. You can also take a walk along Brighton Pier. There are many bars, restaurants, cafes, and other places to eat in the town, as well as a vibrant arts and music scene. Cotswolds. The Cotswolds, a charming region in central England, is known for its rolling hills and charming villages. It covers over 800 miles and is home to historic buildings and honey-colored limestone cottages. Some must-visit towns include Bourton-on-the-Water, known as the Venice of the Cotswolds, and Stow-on-the-Wold, a charming market town with a rich history. A traditional cream tea can be enjoyed here, as well as a visit to one of the many country bars in the region. Stonehenge. Stonehenge, located in Wiltshire, is one of England's most famous landmarks. It is a prehistoric monument made up of large standing stones that are arranged in a circular pattern. It is thought to be more than 4,000 years old. There are many theories as to its origin and purpose. This attraction is a must-see for anyone who loves history and those interested in ancient civilizations. York, a beautiful city in the north of England, is known for its rich history and stunning architecture. It is surrounded by medieval walls and has cobbled streets lined with historical buildings and charming shops. York Minster is a magnificent Gothic cathedral over 800 years old. The Jorvik Viking Center tells the story of the city's Viking past. For panoramic views, you can walk the city walls or take traditional afternoon tea in any tea room. Cambridge. Cambridge, an East English university town, is beautiful. It is known for its beautiful architecture and prestigious university. Enjoy a walk along the River Cam or a traditional punting experience where you are propelled by a flat-bottomed boat. The Fitzwilliam Museum is in the city and houses an impressive collection of artifacts and antiquities. Lake District. The Lake District, a beautiful national park in Cumbria, is in northern England. Its stunning lakes, mountains, and forests make it a popular spot for nature lovers. You must see Lake Windermere, the largest lake in England, and Scafell Pike, the highest mountain in England. There are many options for enjoying the area's beauty, such as hiking, kayaking, or just taking a stroll. You can also find charming villages in the Lake District, like Grasmere or Ambleside, with traditional English pubs, tea rooms, and other amenities. Stratford upon Avon. Stratford upon Avon, a charming town in Warwickshire, is known for being the birthplace and home to William Shakespeare. Visit Shakespeare's birthplace to see where he spent his childhood and watch a performance at the Royal Shakespeare Theatre. Many historic buildings can be found in the town, including the Tudor-inspired Hall's Croft or the magnificent Holy Trinity Church. Walk along the River Avon or stroll the charming streets of cafes and boutique shops. Bath, a charming city in southwest England, is known for its hot springs and Georgian architecture. Named after the Roman baths still in operation, the city allows visitors to dip at the natural hot springs. Bath Abbey is a magnificent Gothic cathedral which dates back over 1,000 years. Explore the charming streets with boutique shops and cafes, or stroll through the Royal Victoria Park. St. Ives. St. Ives, a picturesque coastal town in Cornwall, is in the southwest of England. It is known for its beautiful beaches, turquoise waters, picturesque streets, and charming villages. The Tate St. Ives is a modern art museum offering stunning ocean views. You can also take a walk along the beautiful Porthmeor Beach. There are many charming cafes, boutiques, and art galleries in the town, as well as St. Ives Harbour.